Hey guys, I've been absent from this channel for far too long. We took a little detour about 6 months ago. I've rectified that, and we are going to stick with the basics of what this channel was all about. And that's creating tutorial videos for WordPress blogging, cloud services, and some other topics. So now that we're back, I wanted to share with you the 3 primary content areas that this channel will be covering. The first of which is WordPress blogging tutorials. That's where this channel started. That's what I will continue with. We'll explore various WordPress plugins, tips and tricks on how to help you with your WordPress blogging adventures. The second topic is around cloud services, whether that's Amazon Web Services, Azure, or some other cloud service. We'll explore some tutorials on how to take advantage of the various services within these platforms. And the third item is around YouTube. We'll start exploring some new content on creating videos for a YouTube channel and various tools, and again, some tips and tricks that you can use for that. So I hope to be posting content on a more regular basis than what I had in the past. Hopefully that'll bring some consistency to the channel and you as the viewer. The intent at the beginning here is to post at least 1 to 2 videos per month. So we'll start with that going forward, and hopefully we'll expand on things as the channel develops. With that said, we will see you guys in the next video.